Hi, my name is Sarah and I'm here at the Con residence. This is an Allstate repair of I think around 150 shingles, if not close to it. You guys went out without us, so I'm not sure if this was there prior, but I did want to point out, just doing a walk around of the house, not only just on the roof, but shingles are just flying off this roof at this point from the hurricane. So I'm here to do a repairability test. I will be doing it on the shingle here, and I have a brand new shingle to put in there. This is one of the shingles that you guys have already accounted for. Oh. So I'm going to be repairing this shingle here. Using a roof snake. I'm sorry, looking. Scooch. This nail, there's two nails. There's one here and there's one here. Both of them have already ripped up just from unsealing. I'll show you. You can see both nails have just ripped right through the shingle. This one's ripped too. As well as this one. I'll be able to get this one out from underneath. Keeping my hand here to make sure the shingle doesn't bend. This one's ripped through. That top one there, so I have to go under. This one just ripped through. So naturally I should be able to pull it out from under here, but it's ripped. So I have to go underneath the shingle in order to get the nail out. I think we got one stuck over here. Yeah, right there. Should do it. Oh. Got another one hiding somewhere. Oh, right there. Okay, all the granules falling off. There goes my roof snake. So here is your damaged shingle here. As you can see, nails just ripped right through all of these in the back end. Now we're gonna go back with a brand new shingle. Okay, 3-tab shingle here, and I'll show you guys in a second, but it's this is a 3-tab slate to match this roof. It is not the same at all as far as same and kind like quality, and the face is, I mean, it's off right here as well. I'll show you guys that when we finish. Just granules are just raining down. God. I'll wipe the granules off. Okay. And okay, so as you can see here, this is the shingle. This is the brand new shingle that I put in here. As you can see here, the shingles became damaged whenever I was repairing it using that roof snake. Granules are just flying off of this guy all down here. From just doing the repair. So when you have 150 shingle repair, this is what's going to happen across the entire board. It's going to be checkerboard. Not only that, but you're going to have consequential damages to the shingles surrounding it as well, which is why there's already more than 70% of this roof already damaged. As you can see here, all the tarps and all the shingles missing throughout this roof is astronomical. So full roof replacement would be the best option for indemnification for your insured.